Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to distribute ranking system for the employees or students based on their marks or their performance. So let's get started. Okay, now what we are going to do is to check the rank of these employees or students manually. So which is very simple. I am going to add a column here, a manual ranking as my header for my column. So as from this you can see that 99 is the highest. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will filter this. Let me sort it out by large to smallest. So I know that Henry is the one who is scored more. So I'm giving them the rank 1, Sebastian 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So 10 and 11. Yeah, so this is how we are going to when we do a function called rank, I need to get an answer same like this as per our manual ranking system. Okay, so let me just remove all this from here. All right, I'm deleting this column. Then I'm going to go back to the same sheet. It's mixed up. So what I'm going to do, it's a simple equation which is currently available. Either you can go to the formula bar, insert function. Then if you know where exactly that particular function is under this category, you can select that and select a rank. If you are not aware from where you need to select this formula, then just type rank here, click OK. See, the Excel itself is giving you a pop-up saying that these are the functions available in terms of ranking system. All right, so I'm going to select the first one, which is rank. This function is available for compatibility with Excel 2007 and earlier. Return the rank of a number in a list of numbers, its size relative to other values in the list. So this is the function that we are going to use. All right, so as I said, you can go to formula, click on insert function and find the rank, or else, so in other option is you can come directly to the cell, click on equals, then type rank. So Excel will give you a drop down wherein you can select this function rank. Double click on that. So this is the syntax. So you need to select the number, which is 13 for me, and you need to select the list, or what you call the um, column wherein the numbers are updated, right, or the list are available. So for me, this is my reference. Then I need to select whether the ranking to be in a descending order or an ascending order. So for me, I require in a descending order. So I'm entering 0, close the bracket, hit enter. So Excel have given a ranking for Michael as 11. Then if I drag and drop the equation back to the entire rows, I can see the ranking system is done properly here. So to test if the ranking is being distributed correctly, come here to the column B wherein the marks are updated. Click on the filter and click on sort largest to the smallest. So once you do that, you can see the number, the largest number is appearing on top, which is 99, 98, 88, 78, and so on. So based on that, the rank is being distributed for each employees or a student based on their marks or their performance. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Excel. Thank you.